Hey guys, I'm doing all the HackerRank Java problems on this channel, so you can find a link in the description box to all the problems. So let's take this problem. We are given a integer n and we need to print its first and multiple. So basically we need to print a multiplication table of our input. So let's go ahead and code it. We are going to use the for loop, and we also can use the while loop, but as we know that we need to run our loop for 10 times, that is from 2 into 1 till 2 into 10. So we will use the for loop. For int I, the value of I will start from 1, that is 2 into 1, then it will range till I is equal to 10, that means I is less than 11, and we will increase the value of I by 1 each time the loop runs. So I increment, then we will store the result in a result variable, which will be equal to I into I multiplied by the input, and we need to print out our result. So as we can see here, the output, every result is printed on a new line, and also there is a space between each character. So that means the input, then space, multiplication sign, then space, and then the value of I. So we have to print in that order. So we are going to use system.out.println for a new line every time the code runs. So we have here is n, then a space, then multiplication sign, and again a space, then the value of I, then there will be the space, equal sign, space, then result. So let's run the code. So it's correct. Thank you for watching the video. Peace.